The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to just draw one ray. Going to be a line here, or a line segment, but I'll just connect. I'll just connect those 2 points. Now that I have that, this right here is going to correspond or be in the same spot as this ray. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put a point right where I want my vertex to be, just so that I don't move it. I have a static point as I'm working. Now I'm going to go over to my compass. I'm going to draw some circles just like we did last week. I'll put my point right at the vertex. I'm going to move my pencil in, and I'm just going to draw an arc that crosses both rays. Now I'm going to do the same exact thing over here. I'm just going to put my point right where I want the vertex to be. And again, I'm going to draw my arc in. All right. Now I'm going to go back to the original one. And I want to put a little point where it crosses the. I'm going to put a point there and a point there where it crosses the rays as close as I can. All right. So now what I need to do, now that I've labeled them, is again, I'm going to use my compass tool. I don't need 2 of them, but I'm going to use my compass. I'm going to drag. Didn't mean to do that. I'm going to drag it so that my point sits right on that point. And I want to make it so that if I drag this over, I'll change the color just so that we can see it. If I drag this right to the other labeled point, so that it actually will touch, I'm going to draw a little arc there. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. I'm going to take it. I'm not changing any measurements, but I'm going to drop it so that my pointer goes onto this point, and I'll draw my little arc. Again, without changing any sizes or anything like that. With that, I'm going to be done with my compass. And now I see this intersection point. I'm going to put a little point there. And I can now connect my vertex and this point. And this angle will have the same exact measurement as this angle over here. If I wanted to make it longer, again, you could snap it so that it sits there. I can move it around so that I cross that point, and I could make a longer ray if I so choose. And there we go. Move this. This is the same angle measure as this angle here.